stand up though. Wait. Something's sticking out, Chrissy. 4.
Yeah, don't wipe it on my fingers.
Okay. Can you please? Okay, I'll fold it.
Am I good?
There you go.
I take eat that.
It's just there. What you gotta video me for? Like I don't know.
Wait, hold on. It's like,
What you gotta video me for?
how's Chrissy acting right now? No, it's like this, alright?
It's like,
What are you doing? Where's the chocolate?
it's like this. It's like this. Open your eyes, Chrissy.
Oh,
I can't answer the phone.
the husband. The husband.
Don't tell him I fucked up. Okay? Don't tell him.
She's sleeping. I swear, her eyes was out of it.
Don't tell him I fucked up. Shh.
I'm not answering. I'm just telling you. Anthony, she's fucked up. Nah, she really is. You hear in the background, right?
Why you gotta say that for?
Yeah, I know she gotta drop the door, but I'll take care of the dog. It's alright. Nah, she's right here in the floor, passed out. Here. He wanna talk to him. She said she can't. She said that she can't.
Oh crap.
He really wanna talk to you. He said even though you messed up, yeah. She can't even hold the phone. All right, I'll put it in the ear. Here. You want to talk to Andrew? I know you don't want to talk to Andrew. All right, here's Chrissy. I'll hold the phone because she might drop it. Here you go. No, I'll hold the phone. I hold it. Because he's on the phone. Hurry up.
Hello? Why won't you answer me?
I was trying to put the background, but I wish you would have had it this side. Be like,
You.
Not funny.